Today, we have an exciting topic to dive into, the incredible Adobe Photoshop Generative Fill. We'll explore the power of Generative Fill and why it has become an essential tool for image editing enthusiasts and professionals alike. But this poses a concerning question. Will AI take over photo editing? Adobe Photoshop Generative Fill, also known as Magic Fill, is a game-changing feature that revolutionizes the way we edit images. With its advanced algorithms and artificial intelligence capabilities, Generative Fill makes tedious tasks a breeze and allows us to achieve remarkable results with ease. Now, let's take a closer look at some of the key features that make Adobe Photoshop Generative Fill so good. A little too good. Generative Fill intelligently analyzes the content and patterns of the surrounding pixels, ensuring that the generated fill seamlessly blends into the image. It goes beyond basic copying and pasting, adapting to the image's specific characteristics to create a harmonious result. However, this is still in a beta phase. There are always some issues you're bound to encounter. Imagine having to manually remove unwanted objects or fill in gaps in an image. It could take hours of meticulous work. With Generative Fill, this process becomes remarkably faster and more efficient. Just select the area you want to fill and let the AI do its job. At least the AI doesn't have an option to edit the whole image just yet. I'd like to keep my job. Generative Fill integrates seamlessly into Adobe Photoshop's existing tools and workflows. You can access it easily through the menu or use keyboard shortcuts, ensuring a smooth and intuitive experience. It's designed to enhance your productivity and creativity. While the AI does the heavy lifting, Adobe Photoshop still offers you the flexibility and control to fine-tune the results. Adjust parameters, refine the selection, or combine Generative Fill with other Photoshop features to achieve the desired outcome. The creative possibilities are endless. Let's explore some practical applications of Adobe Photoshop Generative Fill. Have an unwanted object spoiling an otherwise perfect image. With Generative Fill, you can effortlessly remove it while preserving the image's original context. Simply select the object, invoke the Generative Fill, and watch as it seamlessly fills the gap, leaving no trace behind. Old and damaged photographs can now be revived with Generative Fill. Whether it's scratches, tears, or missing parts, the AI analyzes the surrounding pixels and reconstructs the missing information, restoring the image to its former glory. The coloring that the AI provides is very lackluster, but when this AI starts expanding more and can produce better color accuracy, there will be almost no need to hire a professional if you can just do it yourself. Need to extend the background of an image? Generative Fill makes it a breeze. With just a few clicks, you can expand the canvas and let the AI generate a natural-looking extension that matches the existing background seamlessly. Adobe Photoshop Generative Fill truly is a game-changer. In the world of image editing, its intelligent algorithms, time-saving capabilities, and seamless integration make it an indispensable tool for professionals and enthusiasts alike. In some ways, it makes our lives easier than ever before. However, with the growth of AI, it seems like it can pose a threat, which is also AI. Just like I said before, AI is very close to be able to take over some aspects of photo editing. The upside about this is that AI taking over photo editing is not as concerning at the moment as you might think. You still require trial and error, and when it won't work or is not the best quality, you'll have to do it yourself. However, when these types of tools like Generative Fill expand, you can expect to see AI taking over more aspects of photo editing over time. That's all for today's video. We hope you found this overview of Adobe Photoshop Generative Fill and AI informative and inspiring. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Until next time, keep exploring and pushing the boundaries of your creativity with Adobe Photoshop.